we doing? What are we doing today?
Going on a
Graffiti tour in Brooklyn.
And it also, people will stop to take a look at it, right? Because they recognize it, so they'll stop. And then they'll see that it's been altered in some way. It's a style called wild style that is a sophisticated style of creating a burner where you take your tag name, wallet, to show his identification. And they shot at him 41 times. Before, I guess they thought he was reaching. A lot of the writers we saw on the other wall, their work is not tagged over. It's been there for a long time. It's not tagged over because they have a lot of respect for the Brooklyn. Usually had a big banana.
So Kristen and I came back home after a long graffiti tour walk. I took a power nap and watched some trash TV. Now we're ready to go to dinner. So Kristen and I have had this mission to find the best carbonara in the city because we went to Italy last summer for the second time, to Rome. And we ended up having some amazing carbonara that we came back to the restaurant 2 nights in a row, which is really rare for us to do when we're traveling, unless it's extremely good. So now we're heading over to...
It's the Tommy Osteria.
Where's that at?
It's like right north of Houston.
Alright, cool. I'm ready for it. Heading home right now. Oh, I got a nasty case of hiccups. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, she's so full. Look at her. Kristen, you're full. Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Hiccups are so bad. What's happening? Oh, there it is. up our building right now. We spent the whole day at Governor's Island. We're about to crack open another bottle of wine. Suck. So just to give you an idea where Governor's Island is, that's Governor's Island right there. So I live here. Boop. That's Governor's Island.
Pepper's got the right idea. It's time to go to sleep. Oh, no, you woke me up. Oh, I'm sorry.